We are starting illustration number 12. Sharda and Jamna are partners of a firm. Two partners are there, Sharda and Jamna. Their capital as on 1st April 2016 was 30,000 and 40,000 respectively. Opening balance of capital for both the partners is given to you. During the year, Sharda has withdrawn 6,000 on 1st April 2016. Now opening balance of drawing is given by Sharda, while Jamuna rupees 8,000 on 1st January 2017. Now this date is important for calculation of interest on drawings. The provision of partnership deed are as follow. First provision is provide interest on capital at 10% per annum. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल का जो भी ओपनिंग बैलेंस है उसके ऊपर 10% हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. देन सेकेंड इज प्रोवाइड इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग एट द रेट 12% पर एनम. ड्राइंग्स के ऊपर 12% इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होगा, बट डेट को ध्यान में रखते हुए कैलकुलेट करेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट प्रोविजन इज मंथली सैलरी ऑफ 500 रुपीज इज पेएबल टू शारदा फॉर आर एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन इन द business. Monthly salary is given, so you have to multiply it by 12 months. Okay, so 500 into 12 months is equal to 6,000 rupees. Annual salary will be payable to Sharda. An annual commission of 3,000 is payable to Jamna. Commission to Jamna will be recorded on profit and loss appropriation debit side and partners capital account credit side. On 1st October 2016, Sharda has given loan of 6,000 to the firm. Sharda has given loan of 6,000, so interest will be calculated on the same, but interest will not be recorded in appropriation or capital account of partners. There is no provision in the partnership deed for interest on loan. In that case, 6% interest has to be calculated. Sharda demands interest at 10% per annum. Okay, ignore this because if nothing is provided in the partnership deed, then we will have to calculate interest at the rate 6%. Profit for the year ending 31st March 2017 before consideration of above provision and interest on loan of Sharda of the firm is 39,820. This is net profit which will be recorded on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. From the above information, prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. So from this example, two accounts we need to prepare. First is profit and loss appropriation and another is partners capital account. Now here for method of partners capital account nothing is specified, so we will follow fluctuating capital method. ठीक है, हम fluctuating capital method से capital account बनाएंगे and profit and loss appropriation account हमें prepare करना है. So we will prepare table for profit and loss appropriation and capital account. Now first of all we will record opening balance of capital in credit side of partners capital account. So डेट के कॉलम में आएगा 1st अप्रैल. ओपनिंग बैलेंस हमें दिया हुआ है 1,416 बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन अमाउंट इज 30,000 रुपीज एंड जमना's opening balance is 40,000 rupees. Then information regarding drawing is given to you. Sharda has withdrawn 6,000 which will be recorded on debit side of capital account. Date is 1/4/16 to drawings account. Sharda has withdrawn 6,000 and on 1/1/2017 to drawings account Jamna has withdrawn 8,000. Then we'll move on to provisions. First provision is interest on capital at the rate 10%. So first of all we'll record credit on credit side of partners capital account. Interest is calculated at the end of the year. So in date column 31st March 2017 by interest on capital account at the rate 10%. Rate of interest is given 10%, so 10% of 30,000 and 10% of 40,000. So 3,000 interest will be payable to Sharda and 4,000 to Jamuna. Then next provision is provide interest on drawings. Okay, second treatment of interest on capital is debit side of profit and loss appropriation account. 2. Interest on capital, Sharda and Jamuna 3,000 and 4,000. Total is 7,000 in outer column, and net profit will be recorded on credit side. So by net profit or profit and loss account, net profit is given in the example 39,820. Then interest on drawings will be calculated at the rate 12%. So on debit side of partners capital account, interest on drawings will be recorded. So 12% of 6,000. Now this drawing is made on 1st April. So for the whole year interest will be calculated. So 6,000 into 12% is equal to 720, and on 8,000 is withdrawn on 1st January. So 1st January, February and March, 3 months. For 3 months drawing will be interest will be calculated on 8,000. So 8,000 into 12% into 3 by 12. So amount is 240. And second treatment is on credit side of P&L appropriation account by interest on drawings account, Sharda and Jamna. Jamna's interest is 720. Sharda's interest is 720 and Jamuna's interest is 240. So total is 960. Then monthly salary of 500 is payable to Sharda. So monthly salary is income of Sharda, so it will be recorded on credit side of partners capital account by salary account 500 per month. So 500 into 12 months is equal to 6,000. And second treatment on debit side of P&L appropriation to salary account, Sharda 6,000 in outer column. Then next is commission payable to Jamuna. So to commission account, it will be recorded on debit side of P&L appropriation because it is an expense of business and income of partner. So 3,000 inner column, 3,000 outer column. And second treatment on partners capital credit side by commission account 3,000 in Jamna's column. Then on first 10, Sharda has given loan 6,000, no treatment will be given of interest on capital. Now all entries are recorded. So now we'll have to find out the balance. So balance of P&L appropriation account, credit side is more, and the total of credit side is 40,780. Out of this 40,780, debit side total will be deducted 7,000 minus 6,000 minus 3,000. So balance is 24,780. This profit will be distributed among partners and will be transferred to partners capital account, Sharda and Jamna. Now here profit and loss sharing ratio is not given, so it will be distributed equally among both the partners. So 24,780 divided by 2 is equal to 12,390. Now this profit will be transferred to partners capital account credit side 31st March 2017 by profit and loss appropriation account. This is divisible profit. Amount is 12,390. Now again you have to make the total. Credit side is more, so we'll write the total of credit side on both the side 51,390 and here 59,390. Out of this total, debit side will be deducted So balance is 44,670 and 51,150. This is your closing balance to balance carried down. I hope it is clear.